Hello, I'm Professor Anubhuti Yadav from Indian Institute of Mass Communication. I'm heading the Department of Media there. I'm also a certified fact checker, and as a fact checker, I have conducted a lot of training programs and workshops on fact checking and verification for media students, media educators, and journalists. As far as this program is concerned, I would like to be a part of this program for one very important reason. In India, at the time of the pandemic, we have seen that there was a lot of misinformation and disinformation around COVID-19. And there were a number of organizations, institutions, and agencies were involved in debunking misinformation around COVID-19. But I strongly feel that there should be one infodemic management policy, which is not there in India. So after attending this course, my objective is to work on that particular policy, which will be submitted to the different concerned departments. Now, coming on to the question which has been posed to us in the advertisement. So, the one very important question which I actually found out in that was how to develop messages rapidly around COVID-19 and then distribute it to the variety of audiences effectively. So for this, we can use crowdsourcing, which is a very important strategy, and especially like if we want to develop content very rapidly. So in India, we have this platform which is called MyGov platform. This is a citizen engagement platform. So we can start, one initiative on MyGov platform wherein we can ask maybe like media students, journalists, designers to create messages around COVID-19. And then we can also ask people to rate those contents or vote for that particular content to find out the efficacy of those media products which will be created by the public. So crowdsourcing is one very important strategy that can be used. Also, if we have to create content on a mass scale and that too, at a very fast pace, then we can also take on board, media students, media educators who are actually learning this skill and the craft of creating messages. So they can be taken on board to create those particular messages. So this is something which I feel can be done to develop the messages around COVID-19 awareness program. Another question which I have picked up is about online and offline social listening strategy and if I have to work on that particular strategy. So for online listening strategy, there are a number of tools which are available. Say, for example, one tool which is available and which like a lot of people are using in the field of marketing and that can be used yeah, in the field of health communication also is called Answer the Public, which means that we need to know what exactly people are searching about COVID-19. And based on those search queries, we can actually create messages because if people are searching that the COVID-19 can be cured by consuming alcohol, then we know that we need to create a message on that and we need to debunk that particular piece of information or misinformation, in fact. And then when it comes to offline listening, definitely like there are a number of tools and there are a number of ways which we have been using for quite some time. For example, phone-in programs. We can ask people. We can create help desks wherein people are asking their queries related to COVID-19, the questions which they have around COVID-19, and we can collate those particular questions and queries, and then we can form a communication strategy around that. So there are a number of offline and online social listening tools, and which are very important, not only in the field of digital marketing, but I think these tools can be used very effectively in health communication also. Thank you.